Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2021 Jeep Compass and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, the link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to prep the headlight. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. So once the headlight is prepped, now we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And for this one, just lay the film to the headlight, and we're going to start by aligning it to this section of the headlight first. So once you have it aligned to the edge, carefully lift the film and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Keep it aligned, grab your squeegee and start tagging it down to secure it. Make sure it's not moving and you keep it tacked down to this section. So once you finish tagging it down on this section of the headlight, now we can work around the rest of the film, but just make sure to stretch the film until it reaches to this edge first. So just do a light stretch until the film reaches the edge, and then carefully lift it, apply Tack Solution, and then just tag it down to secure it to the edge. Hold it in position and tag it down. Once you have the edge secured, now we can work on the middle section. So just apply Tack Solution, and with your squeegee start removing any solution that may be underneath the film. And if you encounter fingers like these on the bottom and on the top, in order to remove them, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution wherever you see those fingers. You grab your heat gun and start applying heat on each section where you see those fingers. That we were able to shrink the fingers, and then with our squeegee and microfiber towel, tack them down to the headlight. Once you apply heat, just wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and tack them down. Make sure when you're doing this, you go at an angle, that way you're able to tack down the fingers. Because if you go straight towards them, you might accidentally crease it. So you don't want to crease the film, you want to go at an angle, just like this. Angle, angle, angle. And do the same for the top. And you just repeat this process until you tack down both sides, and then once you're done, we post heat the entire headlight. So once you finish with the whole installation for the headlight, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire film. So all you need to do is just apply Tack Solution to the whole headlight, and we're going to use our heat gun to heat up the adhesive on the film. That way it's able to activate faster and tack down to the headlight. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to apply a little bit of pressure and also help remove any solution that may still be trapped around the edges of the film. So just go all around equally to the film, and then just once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tint for the 2021 Jeep Compass. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.